Hi guys, today we're going to be going to look in my backyard to find just see what it looks like after the big storm we just had. Sorry I broke out really bad. I was drinking Coke like two cans and I broke out bad. That's why there's like a little white stuff, a little cream. Be back right after the intro. Okay, so I hope the quality is not too bad right now. But as you can see, we got this big branch over here. This one, that, these over here. Trying to slowly get to the back of the yard. Got some right here. And then look at this big one. Let me get to step back for this. I'm just glad this one didn't fall on top of the house. We have this huge one that probably came from that tree. So that one, these, and associated with all that, a wire fell down. That's why that big tree hit the wire and it fell down. So we're waiting for an electricity company to come out and check it, make sure it's not on and it's not a live wire. So yeah, I think that's all the damage back here. I'll see if I can show a good angle. Yeah, it looks pretty bad back here. It's gonna be quite the cleanup, but we're just waiting. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Catch you guys tomorrow.